Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, Guruji.
Happy morning, ma'am. Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning. Give me a minute. Yes. Who will take the lead? Nandakumar sir or Dhanlakshmi ma'am? Who will start?
Sir, Nandakumar sir, you are starting. Sir?
Madam, you would like to do it, ma'am? நீங்க பண்றீங்களா?
பரவாயில்ல, நீங்க பண்ணாலும் பரவாயில்ல.
Right. Okay. Happy morning to all. Happiness dose. Are you all happy?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
great.
sir.
But generally people only say from their tongue they are happy. But actually if you take all the statistics, many of us are not happy. So the World Happiness Index says that many are not happy. The statistics we will see what it says. 49 million people are suffering and 16% affected with mental health issues. 98% lies they are happy when we ask how are you. So even previously when someone asks how are you, we say I'm very fine. Yeah, wow, I'm so happy. But it is not from their heart. Just for the sake of saying happy, they say happy. And 74% Indians are in stress and 88% are in worries. As a whole, 150 million Indians require mental health support. This is what the statistics says. That's the reason why this 6 a.m. Club Happiness Dose was started by our Mani sir. The dose is the acronym for 4 chemicals. This is a small initiative started by our Mani sir, and we are all practicing to keep ourselves happy and keep others also happy. If you take the happiness index in 2021, in the world, out of 149 countries, India stands in 139th position. That means many countries are country people are happy than Indians. Even Bhutan, Pakistan, all are ahead of us. So let us all practice happiness and spread the happiness with our neighborhood and spread this to our community, and see that after some time India takes a ahead in the happiness index. So let's all try to be happy. So next, let us see the happiness chemicals and how we can hack them. As I said, the dose is the acronym for the dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, endorphin. So these are all the 4 chemicals which keeps us happy. So let us find out what activities or tasks when we do, we can hack this chemicals, happiness chemicals. So first, endorphin. Endorphin is a reward chemical. By doing the activities like complementing a task or doing self-care activities, eating food, and celebrating little wins. So these are all the activities when we do, we can hack the endorphin chemical, especially the food what we eat. If you eat the food which you love, is the most happiest thing, and thereby we can hack the endorphin chemical. Next comes oxytocin, the love hormone. The love hormone is playing with a dog or playing with a baby, holding hand, hugging your family or your family members, give compliments. So one should learn to be happy by appreciating and complimenting ourselves as well as others. Then serotonin, the mood stabilizer, doing the meditating, breathing, running, sun exposure, walking in
Nature.
nature, swimming, cycling. These are all the activities which we can do. By doing, we can improve our mood stabilizing. And then endorphin, the painkiller. The painkillers are laughing exercise, one of the best exercise we will be doing at the end. So this is the painkiller, and taking essential oils, eating of taking groundnut oil, and watching a comedy show in a TV like Siri Siri or Siripuli, or even we can crack jokes and share with our friends, and eating a dark chocolates and exercise. These are all the small activities which we can perform. By performing, we can hack all the chemicals, thereby we can keep ourselves happy. I hope that you're all trying to do these activities in your day-to-day act. I started doing after joining the 6 a.m. Happiness dose. Really, there is a lot of transformation, and practicing to be happy. So similarly, we all can implement and feel the difference. Anyone can share your feelings before joining this 6 a.m. club and after joining. Is there any improvement?
Yes, sir. We are
Yes,
happy
sir.
throughout the day,
Yeah.
actually.
Great, great.
Yes,
So
sir.
happy to hear. All credit goes to our Mani sir. The effort what he has taken is really great effort. So let's have a smiley challenge.
Yes, sir.
Are you all ready to have a smiley challenge?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great. Just think of happiest moment which you had yesterday or the previous day. Think of it. All of you, please close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Keep closing your eyes. Just to think of that happiest moment which you had yesterday. Visualize that moment. Bring it in your thought. Just draw that activity in the smiley face on the air. You can use your pointer finger to draw it on the air. The smiley face. So slowly open your eyes and you can find the whiteboard. in front of you. Just take a tool and start drawing the smiley. You can use as many as colors, and you can express your happiest moment in terms of drawing a smiley. Very nice to see all your drawings. Great going. By drawing, you can feel how happy you are. The whiteboard is filling it with many smiley faces. Very nice to see all the smiley faces. Have we finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. Then we will move on to next task. So just keep aside of your all gadgets, mobile phones or laptops. Just close your eyes. Think of the activity which you perform, which you want to perform today. Thereby you can feel happy, or the activity which you would like to do it today to keep yourself happy and keep others also happy. Just think of that one of the action. Visualize that one in your mental picture. Visualize it. And take a deep and long breath. Keep closing your eyes. Just visualize it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once again, take a long and deep breath. Just think of that activity which you want to perform today. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep closing your eyes. Just draw it on the air, the activity which you want to perform today. Visualize and do it on the air. So that you can draw it once you visualize it. You can create a mental pictures on the air and slowly open your eyes. You will find a number of boxes in front of you. Under that, your name is written. Just select the tool and start drawing on your box. Before drawing, just enlarge your box and then start drawing. Sounds good. If you started drawing, Kanageshwari madam, are you there? You can start drawing, ma'am. And Vigneshwaran sir, you can also start drawing. Left side bottom, we have a tool. Just click and you can start drawing. You can select a pen tool and select number of colors and you can draw it. So I'm giving a tick mark to everyone as a token of appreciation, though it is not visible on the screen, but mentally I'm giving you the tick mark and a golden star for every one of you for your drawing. So generally we used to get it given a tick mark. That's great. In childhood, when we were studying in schools, the teacher used to give tick mark. Similarly, we too feel happy to get a tick mark from Mani sir. And lovely heart for everyone as a token of appreciation and a golden star. Yes, you are a star of a person. Kanakeshwari madam, are you there? You have not started drawing?
மேம் உங்களுக்கு அந்த இது தெரியலையா மேம்? பென் எதுவுமே தெரியலையா? Do you facing any issue? Kanageshwari ma'am?
Okay, let us join later.
யாமினி அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு முறை வந்து just teach Kanageshwari ma'am how to do these things so that whoever face issues, so I think there might be issues. Actually, there are some things where they can lock and unlock. Some people will select the eraser and they don't know how to pick the pen again.
Use it.
For them, they can just they can just guide them once. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Yamini.
Have you all finished?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on to next task?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. So let us observe the drawing of others. Say for example, the Nandakumar will observe the Yamini madam's drawing. and he will give you one positive action which Yamini ma'am would like to do it today. So observe, think of that context why they have drawn, and then pause one positive action which they can do it today. Similarly, Yamini ma'am can give one positive action about Dhanlakshmi ma'am's drawing, and Dhanlakshmi ma'am can give one positive action about Vijay ma'am, and Vijay ma'am can give one positive action what Vigneshwaran sir would like to do it today, and Vigneshwaran sir can give comment on the Vijay ma'am's drawing. Similarly, Vijay ma'am can give comment on the Nandakumar's drawing. So, are we all ready?
Sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
is Venkatraman here.
Yes.
I have been left out, sir.
Venkat Raman sir. Okay, sir. Okay. So, very good morning and happy morning, Yamini ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து நீங்க வந்து உங்க பூச்செடிகளுக்கு வந்து தண்ணி ஊத்துங்க. நல்ல அருமையான ஒரு ரோஸ் பூத்து உங்களை மகிழ்ச்சியோட வந்து மகிழ்விக்க காத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Welcome. Yamini ma'am can give one positive action about Dhanlakshmi ma'am.
Then Lakshmi ma, happy morning.
happy morning மா happy morning.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து நல்லா நீங்க சமைச்சிட்டு உங்க வீட் பக்கத்துல இருக்க நெய்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கூப்பிட்டு அவங்களோட உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிடுங்கம்மா, நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. ஷேர் யுவர் மீல்.
thank you மா thank you happy morning வெங்கட்ராமன் சார். அழகான காலை பொழுதுல குடும்பத்துல உள்ளவங்களை கூட்டிட்டு வாக்கிங் போறீங்க சார், சந்தோஷமா போயிட்டு வாங்க சார்.
நன்றி மேடம், நன்றி. Sir, whom should I comment on, sir?
Yeah,
Can I comment
Veerapandian sir about Vigneshwaran's drawing. Next
Okay,
to you
okay.
is Vigneshwaran.
Sir, I'm Venkatraman, sir. Sorry.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, Venkatraman sir. Sorry.
விக்னேஸ்வரன் சார், இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப அழகான ஒரு டிராயிங்ல உங்களுக்கு மரம் வளர்ப்போம், உயிர் வளர்ப்போம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீங்க அழகா வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க. இன்னைக்கு நிறைய மரச்செடிக்கு வந்து இல்ல தண்ணி விட்டு ஒரு புதிய உலகத்தை அடுத்து வர தலைமுறைக்கு நீங்க கொடுக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்கன்னு நல்லா தெரியுது. அதை நீங்க உருவாக்குறீங்க சார். யூ ஆர் அ கிரியேட்டர்.
நன்றி சார். Vigneshwar sir can give comment about Vijay's ma'am drawing.
விஜய் மேம், நீங்க ஒரு பார்க்ல வந்து வாக்கிங் போற மாதிரி டிரா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. நல்லா வாக்கிங் போய் ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கணும்.
Thank you, sir. So should I comment on some?
Yeah,
Nandakumar
Vijay ma'am, you can comment about Nandakumar's
Nandakumar,
drawing.
sir.
Who's drawing, ma'am?
Nandakumar's
Nandakumar,
drawing.
sir.
Okay, sir. Oh, sorry. Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
இன்னைக்கு நீங்க ஏதோ இது வரைக்கும் டிராயிங் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது, ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்டா வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க. நீங்க இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு புக் எடுத்து இது வரைக்கும் படிக்காத புக் எடுத்து நீங்க படிச்சு பாருங்க சார்.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you all for participation and giving your valuable positive comment about this drawing. It's a great activity. So people will have something in their mind and they have drawn, and we interpret it and we express one of the positive action which they can perform today. I wish you all to have a wonderful day by performing all your activities, what you thought of drawing this drawing. Once again, thank you. Anybody would like to continue from here?
Sir, I can do it, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Thank you, Yamini ma'am.
yeah,
Please continue,
before we proceed further, I would like to just reiterate one thing, that we are not judging anyone's drawing here. So judgment is one of the factor which affects our happiness. It affects our own happiness and others' happiness. We are not judging the drawing, we are interpreting the drawing within ourselves and interpreting the drawing in an aspect of happiness, not about anything else. So it's purely a psychological, positive psychological exercise and positive psychological approach. It's about a mindset. That is the reason why we do a hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy is a concept. It's not a hypnology, or there is no concept as hypnotist. It's actually a hypnotherapy. So those who say I'm a hypnologist, those who say I do a hypnology, I can change anything, they are cheating you. Okay. So there are many such frauds are happening in psychology. So that is the reason why, and the reason why I'm asking you to take up this thing is, I want you people to learn the art of hypnotherapy. The hypnotherapy is a concept of taking the people into a trance mindset. Trance in the sense it's not about sleeping. Before sleeping, what is our mindset? That is what we take. We make you to sit in a comfortable position, listen to, focus only on the voice and focus only on the breath. And then we will take you to the timeline. That is again a different concept. A timeline where you go to a past, where you go to a future, where you are into a present. This is a different concept. So guys, please, when it comes to a psychological aspects, there are many things happening. So I want the main ultimate goal of doing all these sessions through Empower is to create awareness about psychology as well. So we don't want you people to get into a trap in the name of psychology. Anyone can do a psychologist. Frankly speaking, every human being is a a mental health practitioner. By default, human genes, the DNA has its own psychology aspects. They practice it knowingly or unknowingly. They don't know, that's it. We are creating an awareness and making you powerful, that's it. That is the ultimate goal. Okay, so with that inspiration, I don't want to take much time. And Yamini, over to you. Thank you so much for coming forward, and thank you, Nandakumar sir, for the great session. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
Now, happy morning, friends. Thank you for joining Happiness Dose. Now we'll move on to the next task of the day, that is the self-appraisal. We'll start appreciating ourselves. This exercise, you can do it. It's a bedtime exercise. Like just after you wake up, you can appreciate yourself. And before you go to bed, you can appreciate yourself for completing a wonderful day. So let us do that now. Take your left hand and keep it on your right shoulder. Take your right hand and let us give sabash to ourselves for waking up so early, completing so many tasks. Let us appreciate ourselves. Sabash, 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 sabash.
Shabash, shabash, shabash.
Let us do it.
Shabash, shabash, shabash.
Sabash, sabash, sabash.
Shabash, shabash, shabash.
That was great. That was great. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. We are moving on to the gratitude exercise. Let us express our heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone, each and everything which is making us so happy. For that, let us take both our hands, let us straighten our hands, reverse our palms, collect all the unconditional love from the universe. Let us cross our fingers, twist and bring our hands down, twist and bring it up, closer to our heart, below our chin. Let us close our eyes and let us take a long, deep breath. Let us start inhaling and exhale. We'll start doing. Let us, when you inhale and exhale, feel the gratitude within you. Be thankful to each and everything around us. We'll start doing the abdominal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands. Slowly open our eyes. Let us be thankful. We'll move on to the next exercise.
Self-hug.
Now we are going to do the self hug. Like we are going to love ourselves, love each and every cell of ourselves. So for that, take both your hands, wide open your hands. Take a long deep breath. Inhale. Slowly start exhaling. When you exhale, just bring your hands slowly around you and start hugging yourself with your right hand on the top. Squeeze yourself, hug yourself, and love each and every cell of your body and say, I love you. Feel the love. Now, release your hands slowly. Raise your head up. Inhale. Again, slowly exhale and bring your hands and hug yourself tightly. Love yourself unconditionally. Now, this time, let your left hand be on the top. You can do this exercise whenever you're feeling stressed out. Like you can do it as many times as you want until you're feeling relaxed. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. Let us slowly open our eyes and move on to the next exercise. We'll move on to the happy task of the day. So pick up any one task which you like the most. Like let it be walking, let it be jogging, let it be drawing, reading, cooking, whatever it is, doing yoga, whatever it is, pick the task which you like the most. And immediately after completing this happiness dose, let us do the task with mindfulness and see how you feel, how happy you are after completing the task. Let it be even a small task, calling a friend, talking to someone. Just feel how you feel. Yeah, now we'll move on to the next exercise. Now we are there to the alphabet laughing exercise. So this is one thing which makes us so happy. Now we are going to turn to our nursery time. Like we are going to become nursery kids. We'll start learning the alphabets. We'll repeat after that. Then we can see the red laughing master who is laughing like anything. He is there to monitor us whether we are laughing or not. There is a lot of difference between laughing out and smiling. Actually, when you laugh wholeheartedly, all your facial muscles, they get activated. So he is there to monitor us. And if we are not laughing, then he's ready to hug and kiss us. Then he will even kick us. If we are getting hurted, then he's having his plaster to heal us. So we'll start practicing the laughing alphabet. I'll say the alphabets. Let us all repeat it together. A, a,
Ah,
a,
ah,
When we are reciting the alphabets, let us do with like full involvement. You can like
Fifth round.
you can move yourself. You can express yourself. Let us do like that. Okay. E e
E,
e e u u e e I o ha. That was very nice. Now we'll sing the song together. This is based on the Maya Bajaj song's music. So we'll do it together. Ha 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 ha. That was so nice. Now let us all put up a villain laughter. Let us laugh like a villain in the movies. Let us do that. Ha 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 ha. Now we'll wow. Now we'll move on to the next part of the laughing exercise. Let us all raise both our hands above our head. We are going to laugh out loud. As such, we are releasing out all our stress. Okay, we'll start laughing out loud. That was so nice. Now we'll move on to the next part of the exercise. Now this is the random acts of kindness. Like all these activities, they take very less time for us to do, but it brings us so much of happiness for us. So these are like, you can hug a tree, you can use a cloth bag instead of a plastic bag, you can feed animals, you can thank someone, you can spend time with your kids, like you can play with your kids, you can spend an hour without a mobile, then you can water the plants, you can walk for 1 kilometer, you can keep a water bowl for birds, you can help a senior citizen to do something, then you can help others to create a plastic free zone, you can share a meal. Yeah, all these things take very less time, but it brings us a lot of happiness. So let us, you can do all the 12 or you can take any 1 or 2. Once you do that, you can update in the group so that other people will get motivated to do the same. Now we'll move on to the next slide.
Thank you for smiling.
Very happy that everyone smiled and everyone were happy during this dose. Let us all send our smiles to Mani sir for bringing us together and making us so happy. Thank you, Manina.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Just trying to mark all your attendance. So whenever we start the laughing exercise, tell them that they are a nursery kids, Yamini.
Yes, na. Yeah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
So then only they will feel it.
Okay, na, sure.
Okay, so it's for all.
Yeah, na. Yeah.
Whenever we start that exercise, that is how Kanageshwari ma'am, நீங்க இன்னும் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும். Vignesh, you too. Jayalakshmi Venkatraman. Yeah. I think the late Nandakumar sir.
Good morning. Sir,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning, sir. அதனால பண்ண முடியல சார். எப்படிங்க சார் இது பண்றது?
இவங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்காம யாமினி, can you guide?
மேம் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்றதுக்கு கேக்குறீங்களா இல்ல டிராப் பண்றதுக்கு கேக்குறீங்களா மேம்?
இல்லைங்க, ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்றது கேக்குறாங்க மேடம். டிராப் பண்ணிடுவேங்க, நான் ஏற்கனவே பண்ணினேன். ஆனா இன்னைக்கு இந்த டிராவலிங் பண்ண முடியலைங்க மேடம்.
ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்றதுக்கு நான் உங்களுக்கு லிங்க், நீங்க மெயின் குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்களா மேம்? எம்பவர்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
இருக்குங்க மேடம், இருக்கேங்க.
ஓகே மேம்.